Hello, hi guys! Magandang gabi sa inyo lahat. This is Chief of Asagari Channel, a faith healer, also mata reader. So ngayong gabing tatingnan natin ano gusto sabihin sa inyo ng ating mga gabay. This is a weekly gabay for the month of July 24 hanggang July 31 for the sign of Scorpio. Scorpio, welcome to my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices sa inyo ng Spirit Guides ang ating masasagap for today's video? Kanino naman kayang energy, hanas o kaganapan sa buhay nyo? Scorpio ang ating mga hagilap. So guys, umpisahan na natin. Bago ang lahat, this reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po ang makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. So guys, let's watch this. Kanino naman kaya kay energy, advices to, ang ating masasagap for today's video. Angel Spirit, please give me information for the sign of Scorpio. Ano kayang messages, advices sa inyo ng Spirit Guides ang ating masasagot for today's video? Knight of Swords, magiging mabilis daw ang eksena, guys. Kumapit ka. And the Page of Swords. So, there's an information or there's an information na kailangan mo. O, parang may gusto ka pang malaman. At the same time, there's a Page of Pentacles. There's a manifestation and new ideas, investment. At the same time, there's a Moon card, there's a truth reveal. Marami kang malalaman, no? Maraming maraming mailalahad o marami sa informasyon na ibibigay. At the same time, there's a Nine of Cups. There's a wish fulfillment. At the same time, there's a Ten of Swords for the Knight of Swords. Sinasabi sa dito na mabilis lang tong eksena na to. Kumbaga nagkaroon ng faithful ending at the same time nagkaroon ng new beginning. Kumbaga nagkaroon dito ng backstabbing with trial enemies and kumbaga tinraidor ka dito, no? Kumbaga sinabi sa dito there's a big changes and opportunities tayo na para makilala mo yung isang tao. At the same time there's a Page of Swords. Clarification ng Ace of Wands. There's a new beginning. And of course, sinasabi ng new beginning, may balita, no? Kumbaga, ito yung inaantay-antay mong balita. Kumbaga, inaasama-asama balita or information. At the same time, there's a Two of Swords. There's a decision. Kumbaga, kailangan mo mag-decision. Kung hindi ka mag-i-invest dito sa isang sitwasyon or hindi ka mag-i-invest sa isang negosyo, hanap buhay, or relasyon, sinasabi sa'yo dito na hindi ka mag-grow. At the same time, there's what is the Moon card. There's a Chariot card. There's a taking action or there's a movement. So, the Moon card represents a truth reveal. So, ibig sabihin, maraming katotohanan na mailalahad sa'yo that there's a joining force na mukhang pati yung universe ay sumasang-ayon na malaman mo ang katotohanan. What is the Knight of Cups? There's a magician, manifestation, there's a God's will. Kung ibig sabihin talaga, kumbaga matutupad mo itong pangarap mo in God perfect time, in God perfect will. At the same time, there's Eight of Cups. Sinasabi sa dito na moving away from the situation or getting away from the situation. Or sinasabi sa dito na kailangan mong makaalis agad-agad dyan. And of course, sinasabi sa dito, there's a King of Cups. There's a devoted and loving person. So, ibig sabihin, there's a new beginning. Ito yung informasyon. O may taong kumukuha ng informasyon sa'yo. At the same time, magdadala to sa iyo ng new beginning kasi itong tao na to is devoted, caring in nature sa kanya pagdating sa love life. Kumbaga, talaga marunong siya magmahal. And of course, there's a Two of Cups. There's a partnership. Kailangan mo mag-desisyon. Kung hindi ka mag-i-invest sa kanya or hindi ka susugal, hindi mo malalaman. What is the Moon card, the Chariot card? There's Ace of Cups. Wow, there's a love offer talaga, teha. It's a love offer na talaga magdadala sa iyo ng romance, no? What is the Nine of Cups? Nine of Cups and the Magician represent the Justice card. There is a balance and good luck and swerte. At of course, meron ditong karma. Kumbaga, there's a good karma for you kasi wish fulfillment time. May katuparan sa pangarap mo. Ibig sabihin, pilit man nila hinaharang yung pangarap mo, unti-unti mo yung matutupad. Nagkakaroon lang ng delays, pero unti-unti mo pa rin yung maisa sa katuparan. Sila, sa paggawa ng hindi maganda sa'yo, there's there's a consequences, no? Kumbaga parang loan yan, guys. There's a loan, no? Mayroong niyang tawag dito, may tubo, no? Meron niyang Okay, may interest yan. Kapag yan bumalik sa kanila with interest kaya kumalma-kalma ka. Hayaan mong maramdaman nila ang hagupit ng karma. Kumbaga, some of you, kumbaga, ginawa ng hindi maganda or something na naiinggit sa family issues or sa family related or something na naiinggit sa'yo na may tao nagmamahal sa'yo or at the same time, kumbaga, kamahal-mahal ka naman or of course, baka naiinggit to talaga sa'yo, no? What is the Knight of Swords and the Ten of Swords and the Eight of Cups? There's Nine of Cups. Nine of Pentacles. There's a blossoming abundance. Kumbaga talaga mamumulaklak na at mamumuyagyag na talaga ang finances sa'yo. And of course, sabi, there's Strength card. Kumbaga napakalakas ng energy na there's an infinite abundance. What is the Page of Swords, the Eight of Swords, Ace of Wands, there's a King of Cups, there's a Seven of swords, there's an information, kumbaga there's a sneakiness, no? Kumbaga may taong kumukuha ng information sa'yo. What is the Page of Cups? Page of Pentacles, the Two of Swords, and the Two of Cups. There is a lesson learned or sinasabi sa'yo dito, there's a challenging and of course, there's a lifestyle or relationship. So, ibig sabihin dito, may pagdating sa relasyon, no? Kailangan natuto ka na, at the same time, mayroong aral na nangyari sa'yo before. And of course, there's an Ace of Pentacles, there's a material offer. Hindi lang siya love life, kasama na rin siya sa career. Kumbaga magiging maganda raw to. Ito yung hindi mo ine-expect. The truth reveal, no? Pati sa finances and love life, pasabog ka. What is the Nine of Cups, the Magician, and the Justice card? Get more information. There's a Seven of Wands. Sinasabi sa dito, you are being protected by angels. Kung protektado ka raw ng iyong mga gabay. Napakalakas ng energy na mayroong karma. Kumbaga, itong karma na to, in a good way for you, in a bad way para sa kanila. Kasi the good karma for you is, kumbaga, yung hindi natupad or na-delay sa'yo, ibig sabihin, magtutuloy-tuloy, consistent yan. Sa kanila, consistent yung karma. No, yung bad karma sa kanila consistent. Kasi ginawang kanila ng hindi maganda eh. Wala kang ginawa sa tao pero bumalik na wala kang ginawa sa tao pero naiinggit sila at ginagawa ka ng hindi maganda, 'di ba? Bagkus talaga babalik sa kanila kung ano man yung ginawa nila, what they deserve. Ang inggitera walang gamot, ha? Tandaan mo 'yan. Kung naiinggit sila, dead ma. Ganun, maniwala ka sa law of karma. Umiikot ang mundo, Ang gulong nga, minsan nasa ibabaw, minsan sa lalim, Ganun yon. What is the angel's number? Angel's number represent na 666. 666 is centered. So, ibig sabihin, gawin mo raw sentro si God sa iyong situation. At the same time, a wake-up call for you to re-examine your current situation and change the direction of your thoughts. So, you can raise your vibration to a more positive frequency. So, ibig sabihin, kailangan aware ka sa mga nasa paligid mo na lahat ng mga bagay kailangan positive thoughts, ha? Para makapag-create ka ng positive energy and of course, positive outcome. What is the love oracle cards? Okay, the chaser. Kung ibig sabihin dito na nagkaroon ng abandonment issue at the same time na kumbaga meron taong ghosting or taong kumbaga, hindi ka pinili, gano'n. Kumbaga, chaser in codependent. Kumbaga, siguro, I don't know, don't mean sa the chaser kasi. Parang mayroon ka kung pinili ba o ikaw yung pipili, no? Kumbaga, sinasabi din kasi dito, parang sinasabi kung ano yung nasa situation mo, no? Baka nasa sitwasyon kung pipili ka ng taong mamahalin mo. Or, meron kang mahal pero may mahal siyang iba. Baka ito yung sinasabi na baka piliin ka niya. No? And of course, the dragonfly, sinasabi, there's some changes and adaptivity or there's an heal. No? Kumbaga, magkakaroon dito ng be light-hearted and finding out. Lalabas ang totoong energy mo. What is the Jesus loving quotes? Sinasabi dito ni Jesus loving quote is, unto you it's given to know the mystery of the King of God. So, ibibigay daw sa'yo yung mga bagay na hindi mo ine-expect. There's a mystery, kumbaga biglaan. And of course, there's kumbaga, kumbaga, misteryo, hindi mo pa pwedeng malaman, pero pwede mong tuklasin. Okay, what is the chakra? And of course, there's a growth And of course, there's a joy. So, ibig sabihin, ikaw ang ugat ng eksena. Kumbaga, sa'yo manggagaling ang magandang bunga. And of course, there's a joy. Kumbaga, sa'yo manggagaling ang saya at sa'yo or ikaw ang makakaramdam ng ligaya at saya. What is the angel's messages? Okay, there is a water your garden. Nourish body care and tenderness. So, kailangan mo ng pahinga, ha? Baka nag-over fatigue ka na, no? And of course, nag-over, talaga, pagod, hirap, and of course, puyat. Baka nagsama-sama na yun, overthinking, ganon. Stress sa trabaho, baka nagsama-sama na. What is Archangel Michael messages? Kailangan mo ng pahinga to. And of course, there's sinasabi sa inyo, have confidence. Kailangan confident ka sa sarili mo na mananalo ka at the end of the time. And of course, sinasabi sa inyo dito, romance angels are helping you. So, ibig sabihin, pagdating sa relasyon, tinutulungan ka raw ng ating mga gabay, no? Mananatili kang kaagapay. Kaagapay ng langit at ng universe. Wow. Additional messages. And there's a relationship. So, ibig sabihin, there's an attracted to you. No? Oh, burn na natin ilong ko. Oh my God. Okay. What is additional messages? Talk to your angels. So, ibig sabihin, meditate ha. Kailangan nyo mag-meditate at the same time. And there's a book, no? Kumbaga marami ka pa matututunan. There's a lecture. Alam ko sinasabi sa'yo dito, may panibagong chapter na darating sa buhay mo. What is the energy of this reading? Okay, man holding a heart. So, ibig sabihin may taong may hawak ng puso mo. And sinasabi the guardian and the gate. So, ibig sabihin, there's a discoveries. Kumbaga, magiging maganda ang eksena mo at mararanasan mo at mararamdaman mo ang paradise ng buhay mo. Ay, may paradise ang buhay mo, te. What is the karma? What is the karmic card? Okay, there's a planets. Attractions and pleasure from the good times. So, ibig sabihin, there's an, that cherries and joy, charm, art, and beauty are that way. So, ibig sabihin, gamitin mo rin yung ganda mo para makaakit pa ng mas maraming tao. Gamitin mo yung ganda, GL card. Angel Spirit Messages. Okay. There's a nettle in boundaries. So, mag-set ka raw ng boundaries, ha? Para hindi ka na parang wala, parang yung mga negative energy, hindi mo na ma-adapt, no? Hindi mo na ma-attract. Kumbaga, maraming tao sa paligid mo, mga inggitera, no? Kumbaga, sinasabi sa dito na kailangan mo i-block sila para hindi na sila makapasok sa buhay mo. Kasi mga inggitera, mga palaka na yun. Charis. Okay. What is additional messages for messages of life? Okay, what is the messages of life? Okay. Master of life. You are being a master of your own life. No? What is that mean? Tingnan natin kung what does it mean? Kung ano yung ibig sabihin ng master of life. Tingnan muna natin Montology. What is the Montology? Okay, your commitment is being tested. Pagdating daw sa relasyon nyo, kumbaga tested na raw ang inyong relasyon. And look at the bigger picture. So, nakikita nyo na raw ang mga kahihinat na ng inyong relasyon. No? And of course, sinasabi, adjustment are required. Kailangan nyo lang mag-adjust to each other. Sinasabi ng Master of Life, I dedicate my strength to the divine within me, aligning myself with the true sovereign of my life. My ego step aside as I listen to my inner voice and in accordance with the truth I hear. In this way, I become the master of my life. I live in a binding humility, grace, and love for the glory of God. So, ito na nga, no? Kumbaga, lahat ng bagay na tutunan mo, makipag-coordinate sa angel spirit, kumbaga, magkaroon ng meditations, and of course, kumbaga, magkaroon ng peace of mind, mag-set ng boundaries. Kumbaga, ito yung activation of your journey, no? Ibig sabihin, alam mo na kung paano mo tatahakin ang sarili mong landasin, no? There's a road. Kumbaga, alam mo na at the end of the road, there's a light. Makikita mo ang liwanag. Kumbaga, ngayon parang tanaw mo na kayang-kaya mo siyang maabot, no? At kayang-kaya nyo maabot with your person. Pasabog. Okay? This is a weekly gabay for the month of July 24 hanggang July 31 for the sign of Scorpio. This reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang pa makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. Maraming salamat guys and see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!